India, the land of the world's largest population. A nation filled with culture, traditions, and endless dreams. In a few bustling metropolitan cities, we see tall skyscrapers, shining hospitals, and modern healthcare facilities. Here lives nearly 35% of India's population. But the true heartbeat of India lies in its villages. Because more than 65% of our people still live in rural India, amidst the fields, farmers, and a simple way of life. And yet, in these very villages, healthcare remains the weakest. Clinics are far away. Doctors are scarce. And for the poor, timely treatment is still a distant dream. When it comes to cancer, this struggle becomes even more terrifying. For the poor, cancer is not just a disease. It is a slow, painful fading of life itself. But in this darkness, there is a ray of hope, a flame of compassion. Dr. Mane Medical Foundation, reaching villages, organizing health camps, creating awareness, providing free checkups, and when cancer is detected, offering not just treatment, but a lifeline. Because here, treatment is not just given, it is given free of cost. For while poverty can deny money, it should never deny life. Yes, cancer treatment is expensive. Equipment costs are high. But even today, there are selfless donors in this country who recognized this need, who came forward and gave strength to this fight. And that is why, in the eyes of thousands of patients today, there shines once again the light of hope. They have seen that disease can be defeated, and with humanity as its backbone, life can begin again. On 15th January 2025, a new chapter of hope began in Mumbai. Majgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, Mumbai. Dr. Mane Medical Foundation and Research Center, DMMFRC, came together with a shared vision. A vision to strengthen rural healthcare. A vision to make quality cancer care accessible to those who need it the most. Through this partnership, 43 advanced medical equipment were provided to Saidham Hospital, Rahuri. Within just 3 months, the hospital's capacity to diagnose, treat, and care for patients grew stronger than ever before. But this was not just about machines. It was about people. It was about lives. DMMFRC reached deep into the villages of Ahilyangar district. Free community-based cancer screening camps were organized, where women, men, and elders came forward to get checked for oral, breast, and cervical cancers. These camps were not only about early detection. They were about awareness. They were about courage. They were about the power of prevention. And then came the most heartfelt impact. 59 poor and underserved patients underwent critical cancer surgeries at Saidham Hospital. Surgeries that they could never have afforded. Treatments that gave them not just health, but a second chance at life. This collaboration between MDL and DMMFRC is more than an agreement on paper. It is a promise fulfilled. A promise of compassion, care, and commitment. Together, they have strengthened healthcare infrastructure. Together, they have brought hope to rural families. Together, they have proven that true progress is measured not in buildings or machines, but in the number of lives touched, healed, and saved.